tree demolition expert here. I'm a professional arborist or arborist or whatever it is, so don't try this at home, you guys. I decided to go with 4 because it's an even number. It's a good fireworks show, but the old tree stands firm. Fireworks 0, rotted tree 1. So we go to phase 2. It's still standing. Maybe we should try putting a firework up here. I don't even think it's phasing it. We did manage to start a little fire. Oh, and this one, they even marked it as a firework. Seal this off a little bit or something to help get some compression whenever it goes. Probably not, because that ain't really wedged in there. All right, that's probably not gonna help any, but it might help might be able to keep a little pressure in there when she blows. Run! I mean, it opened it up a little bit.
That smells good.
Nice. Wow. Be embarrassing when I come do it with one hand. Wait, no, wait, I'll come do it with one hand. All right, so guys, y'all hear me out. Austin is planning on coming down here and disassembling his tent once everything thaws out. But I have an idea of something that could thaw it out really quick.
Don't.
What do you guys think?
No.
It's just, I'm a professional.
You should talk about everything.
I don't know. We may be taking it too far. What do y'all think? Is that taking it too far?
He might watch the video and then be like,
I think we should do it. And if it destroys it,
we buy him a new one.
maybe.
He did leave it.
I think he forgot about it.
So I think we should do it.
Ooh, this place is
Yeah.
like the buffet.
Yeah, we should do it. I'm gonna set up the camera. All right, GoPro is up and recording. This is gonna be lit, y'all. Maybe we shouldn't do it. Is this too far? Have we gone too far? I don't think so. Maybe?
I would feel bad if it like ruined the tent.
I think it'll be fine.
It didn't do much to the tree, but also that's because
Yeah,
of
but
the
the
tree.
tree's wooded.
It'll definitely clear the ice off.
And a lot more.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, we should stick one in there.
Stick one in there.
It's completely hollow.
Oh, wow. That'll be good. I think Raylan just saved your tent, Austin. Like, we were gonna clear the ice off of it for you, but I'm not sure the tent was gonna survive. Raylan pointed out this nice hollow stump. I'm just getting set up now. It blew some stuff out of it. Yeah, that was fun anyways. We got 2 left. Should we try it again? Round 2. All right, it's burning. Yeah, see the fuse burned out. So that means we got less fuse to work with. We'll put it right there and it should launch itself on further. Well, I think the fuse may have got wet. There we go. Now it feels like we got a lot of fuse. Woo! There she goes. Happy New Year! We took a little bit off of it anyways. So we're gonna go start the truck up, get the heater going for this gentleman right here in the camouflage. Have no fear. We have one more firework, so that means we have one more thing to celebrate.
Oh, that's a great idea.
I think that's a good idea.
That's a really good idea.
All right, so I made this deal with this guy. He was gonna shred my property and I was gonna let him deer hunt. He didn't shred my property. And whose deer feeder is this? It's his. We'll leave a little bit in there. But I guess you can see where this is going. All right. So, right, and look at that, right there. Now, we can strap this lid on. Now guys, I'm a professional. Don't try this at home, okay? I've had extensive firework training, and I'm also very skilled in strap operation. That was a unit I trained in the Army, was how to strap things. And what you see here is the fulfillment of all of that training. Ice in my strap, come on. Ah, it worked. I told you I was a strap professional. All right, speaking of being strapped, this deer feed is strapped, y'all. Ah, run! Oh wait, weren't we gonna move the truck first?
I think
We should
so.
probably move the truck first. Let's move the truck first.
You're crazy.
What did you say?
You're crazy.
Wow. Thank you. I appreciate that. It did. Yeah, let's go look. Oh man, well, wasn't quite as good as I had hoped, but it did blow the lid off anyways. Got to see some fireworks out of it. Oh yeah! Oh, you want to kick it over?
That smells really, really unhealthy.
Oh, yeah, don't be breathing too much of that. Ah!
The lid there.
Oh! I didn't almost just wipe out.
Instant replay.
I think we need bigger fireworks. What say you, Tanner?
Yeah.
Bigger fireworks?
Yes.
Bigger fireworks?
Yes.
Bigger fireworks? We're just celebrating this relationship with nature when we set off fireworks. And guys, think of the deer we saved. So
But now it's
you're
not
welcome,
like
Bambi, and you're welcome all of the Bambi lovers out there. What if he saw us? What if he saw us blow up his deer feeder?
Kind of hope so.
You'd probably be disappointed that he wasn't here. All right, so I figured out what's breaking the ice. It's our boots. So if I take my boots off, I think I'll be okay. Quentin doesn't believe me, but we're gonna prove him wrong. All right. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. Boots off. Causing the whole problem. Yeah.
I gotta watch this.
I gotta watch him fall in.
Go for it.
Is it cold?
Oh, that's cold. It didn't work, guys. Surprise, surprise. Now,
Don't get the camera wet.
that's more ice.
Then you just leave us.
Wait, you're gonna have to come back over for your truck.
No, I'm going to the house. Y'all can drive.
Okay,
I'll drive. I think I just chose the wrong spot. I can get up on it over here. No, right there.
Is it cold?
Woo. It's like a homemade natural ice bath. Well, the no shoes theory didn't hold true. Anyways, if you enjoyed that, all of that content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along. We're gonna have more entertaining, possibly unhinged things to do in the wilderness. So yeah, follow along. You're not gonna want to miss out. Thanks, guys.